The Insignia OPC is one surprisingly good vehicle, with a sporty soul and a little bit of civilized German engineering. It's not a typical sports car because of the 4x4 and the massive curb weight of almost 2 tons. It feels quite strange. In the first place, when you drive it, you don't feel those 325 horsepower produced by the mighty 2.8-liter V6 turbo engine. But after several kilometers, when you become a friend with that beast, oh boy, you're sure gonna enjoy this driving experience. Inside is a very nice place to be. Everything is on the right place, it feels comfortable and even quite luxurious. But as you can imagine, it's an Opel, so yeah, you can feel some plasticky materials here and there. But come on, for this price tag, it's one marvelous car. Fast, good looking and even practical. The inside is spacious enough for 4 people, and even the trunk is with 500 liters capacity. And on the top of that is very reliable too. And now we're done. Because we're gonna let the car speak for itself. Enjoy.
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel, and thanks for watching.